Hello, welcome po sa ating live charting session this weekend. Dito ipapakita natin yung weekly market um, activity. So, starting from October 9 hanggang October 13. So, umpisa natin sa ating index. So, mas mabuti tingnan naman natin yung weekly. Check natin if ano po yung kanyang naging overall market direction this week, last week. So as you can see, market actually opened below the last weekly closing nung October 2. So it opened around 6238. It went as high as 6307. So but unfortunately again it was rejected. And eventually nagkaroon ng sellers at the end of the week. So it still managed to close in a bullish candle. So it means the whole week concluded with still a good buying activity. So papakita natin yung Ichimoku, which is used as a trending indicator. It's fun. So overall, the index is trading below this candle, but in a consolidation period. So nagkakaroon siya ng range since 2020 hanggang 2023, ranging 5.7 and rejected at around 7,000. So yan po yung range niya in a matter of 3 years. So yun po yung sa weekly natin. So let's check sa daily time frame kung ano yung progress niya in the day-to-day basis. So right now, index is trading still below the Ichimoku cloud, sa red cloud, which is a downtrend indicator. But from the past weeks, nagkaroon po siya ng break of the structures dito. Papakita natin. So ito po yung analysis natin with Elliott wave principle. But if we will neglect these counts, we'll just check the structures if nagkaroon ng mga break or shift of the structures. So, sa level na 6295 or 63, nagkaroon po ng break above it. So, actually, this is a psychological level. So, and it is almost familiar at common sa market that when it comes to bear months, nagkakaroon po siya ng bullish momentum, especially on the way until the first months of the year. And then after breaking out at this 63 level, the index reached as high as 64, which is also the boundary of the Ichimoku cloud. So yun po yung naging first or primary resistance natin or sell zone. So after which, index corrected sharply to as low as 6,100. So again, the bearish sentiments dumating po sa index after the sharp correction. After that, for the past this week, nagkaroon na po siya ng projection sa 6.1 level. At based on this analysis, the index will try to challenge this big resistance right here, which was also broken before sa 6.3. At ito po yung magiging new support level sa index. So let us see for the next coming trading days or weeks kung ano yung magiging possible na magiging reaction ng market on this zone. So knowing there is additional trading or market phenomenon na mangyayari sa index, especially the shorting will be applied. I'm not really specific on which day, but the PSA has already approved the short selling sa index. So let us see. So ito po yung market analysis natin sa index. So let's check on the top traded last week, on the last trading day. So let's start with MEG. 7 million shares ang kanyang na-trade. So looks to me that the buying has already, or the accumulation has already begun. after some break of structure on this area. So nagkakaroon na po ng change of structures, nagkakaroon na po ng breakout of the trend line, and these are all part of a bullish case scenario. So after Meg breakout on this area sa 2 pesos per share, so it ranges from 2.13, revisited, tested again the 2 pesos per share. So and again, it made a sort of rejection and strong demand sa level ng 2 pesos per share. So this bounce is roughly 4%, 4 to 3%. But the good thing is, in the daily time frame, the price is trading above the Ichimoku cloud already sa indicator. So it's one of a bullish confirmation na the buyers are already in control on this market. And dahil din sa parating na dividends, so looks like there will be more buying on the next trading days. So that's its latest disclosure sa dividend will be on October 26. So on the next, let's expect tomorrow hanggang to sa 26 mayroon pang accumulation sa gustong maka-avail ng 0.066 per share na dividends. So let's check its weekly kung gaano ka lakas yung trend niya sa weekly time frame. So on a weekly time frame, so makapal-kapal talaga yung kakailangan na niyang i-challenge, kaya this will be an interesting stock to learn on. So as you can see, I made a forecast na after this breaking the cloud, so it will be a very good swing or positional investment sa ganitong stock. So let's proceed sa second na top traded stock sa Philippine Stocks Exchange. So this is a BDO. BDO on a weekly time frame, so it's really trading a good uptrend. So for the past months or weeks, I reiterated good buying signals at around these levels. So 128, which is the 0.618 retracement of the previous wave 3. So ito po yung wave 3 na in-emphasize ko. This move right here is labeled as wave 3. So yung price na 128 until 132 is the boundary of this 0.618 retracement. So I expect this will be also a consolidation period or correction period of this previous impulse wave. So this whole wave 4 here will be somewhat doing a triangle possibly. So magko-compress, and then right afterwards we will try to figure out if the market will validate our forecast. So in the long run, this have a good potential upside of over 15%. So kaya niya pong abutin ang 160, since before its high was actually 139.7. So that was our high on the previous first impulsive wave na on a bigger cycle. So in the long run, BDO is trading upwards, so it's good accumulation every time the market price drops. So thank you for watching, and thank you for spending some time sa ating video. I hope you learn something. Sa mga bago pa po dito sa medyo mahihirapan pong i-interpret yung mga sasabihin ko, since these are all technicals. So ito pong blue and red candles right here are lahat po yan prices na dito sa gilid yung label. At the same time, yung nasa baba is yung day or years or yung time frame na nilakbay ng presyo ng specific na kumpanya. So that's a basic familiarization lang po sa mga, especially sa mga bago nating viewers. So let's move on sa third stock na highest traded stock from the last week. So ASIN Corporation, isa ito sa renewable energy company led by Ayala. It was trading 5 pesos per share, 5.18, and closed last week with a bearish candle. But fortunately, nagkaroon na po siya ng breakout sa mini channel downward channel. So we will see if this is a true breakout or baka nagiging fake lang siya, and there is also a possibility na babalikan niya pa uli yung lower lows. So let's be more patient of this stock. Kasi posible siya na the breakout above 5 pesos is only a fake out. So because the current trend is still trading downward. So as you can see on the Ichimoku, makapal-kapal pa din yung trend niya, and the volume speaking above the weekly average. So mas baka posible niya pang i-break down yung last low na 4.58. So I don't have any idea for shared to be shared for in ASEN, but what I emphasize is more patient pa, kasi this will be presenting a possible risk pa siya na around 12 kapag ma-break niya yung last low, or as low as 20%. So risky na, magiging risky po siya if papasukin mo siya without waiting more actual data, or so let's be more patient with ASEN. So fourth stock which highest traded volume last week was Converge. Converge was moving at a good rally since its drop last September. So it's increased by at least 26% na from its last low, around 8 or 7.97. So this is a psychological level, 8 pesos. So the latest supply niya is around 11 or 12 pesos per share. So ito po yung magiging struggle niya, the next challenge niya to break or to challenge. So as you can see, makapal pa din yung niya, downtrend na indicated by the red Ichimoku cloud. So if you believe more on this company, pwede mo siyang accumulate slowly, but at this price levels here are nearing the decision point. So you'll be more give importance on this specific resistance levels. So it will be a good accumulation kapag try niyang magbalik sa mga support levels. So we will see. So check natin daily if what happens to the current market structures niya. So on the daily time frame, fortunately the price already made a breakout sa Ichimoku cloud. So it's a good indicator for Converge at yung cloud was turning already a bullish indication. And on these labels right here, so we can consider this as a motive phase 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's extend like that, parang with just forecast like this. So it possibly be a bullish motive phase. So it's a 5-wave structure. So we will expect price to still correct. We can still do this. And let's make use of a Fibonacci. So let's make use of 5 and 618. So more likely, ito yung magiging magandang aabangan na price if magkakaroon siya ng buying from this area. So if ever nagiging rejected na siya on this red cloud, so it will act as support. So actually it will be a very good positional entry price for the next wave. So if this whole 1, 2, 3, 5 here is a motive, so let's try this. It becomes a wave 1. So this correction right here will be our anticipated wave 2. So we will expect a good impulsive wave 3 sooner if magiging validate yung analysis natin dito. So this will be a good aggressive entry at around 9 to 9.38. So it will present us with a 26% upside. Ang risk natin will be at the breakdown of the previous wave 2. So 13%. So if gusto niyo itong pasukin, which is I think this will be a recommended entry kasi nasa correction side na si Converge. So magiging maganda po itong investment na to if this current wave analysis will be validated. So 13% risk. So ang magiging swing natin na target will be at around 12 pesos. So that's or 1.618 Fibonacci extension. So, what else? Yung nasa ano natin. Let's tackle on the losers. So, one of the losers. So, isa si Isen, which we was have analyzed previously. Then, si Tel na lang. PLDT. So, PLDT, on a weekly time frame, medyo, ano po, may common structure na pinapakita si Tel. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This could be potentially an ending diagonal. Ending diagonal. So, asahan po natin na this resistance trend line will be challenged. So, our next challenge will be this red zone. So, medyo mahirap-hirap kasi this will be on a weekly. So, let's check on the daily. So, daily, actually, before we gave a buying signal, but you see, na invalidated siya kasi may liquidity around 1129. So, this was invalidated. So, our new invalidation, so we will stick again with our bullish bias. So, 1,194. Yan po yung ano natin, invalidation. Confirmation natin will be yung officially ma-break niya yung resistance trend line right here. Above 1.2 or on this cloud. If mag-sustain siya dito above this cloud. So, that will be our buying opportunity. If mag-sustain siya dyan, so we will see a breakout. It will be happening sooner. So, dito na lang natin ilagay ang next forecast natin. So, because recently, nagbigay po siya ng dividends last October 14, 49 per share. So, Tel was one of the top 5 dividend yielder for the past 3 years. So, looks like this is a stock which has good potential for holding. Especially yung prices niya ngayon retraced until 1,094. So, let's check natin overall ng weekly. So, Tel was actually trading 10 to 20 years ago. It was trading even as high as 3,000. But right now, PLDT was trading already at a 1.2. So, napakalaking discount siya. 60% discount from its highs, traded highs last 2007 and 2014. Kalakasan niya, this was his kalakasan niya na mga time. And right now, which presents us a good, very discounted price level. So, the lower the price, the higher the dividends, expected dividend yield on an annual basis. So, let's check if may mga So, I think this concludes our weekly chart analysis. So, sa mga gusto pong mag-specific ng questions, you can comment sa ating video and we will tackle the stocks on the next charting natin next week. So, thank you for you all for watching and have a nice weekend and good luck for the next trading week.